The constant search for a new income stream is a trap that keeps you exhausted and unpaid. Every time you look outward for a side hustle, you abandon the leverage you already hold. You feel the pressure, your resting heart rate rising as you scroll through identical business models designed for people without children. You trade hours you do not have for strategies that do not fit your reality. This is an economic miscalculation. The market tells you to learn coding, start a dropshipping store, or become a virtual assistant. It tells you to acquire new skills to generate value. This assumes your current daily operations have zero market value. That assumption is false. The management of a household is a complex logistical operation. It requires inventory management, conflict resolution, nutritional planning, budget allocation. In the corporate sector, these roles command salary. In the domestic sector, they are classified as duty. This classification is the primary barrier to your economic independence. Notice this pattern. You manage a budget that fluctuates with inflation while maintaining a static living standard. You optimize time blocks to ensure multiple dependents meet scheduling requirements. You source materials, negotiate purchases, and maintain infrastructure. You are operating an invisible business. You simply lack the mechanism to capture the revenue. You do not need a new side hustle. You need a capture mechanism. We call this the domestic asset stack. The domestic asset stack is the recalibration of your existing labor into market-facing value. It is the shift from consumption to production within your current footprint. Consider the structure of a standard side hustle. It requires a separate block of time. It requires a context switch. It requires energy diverted away from the home. This creates friction. Friction kills consistency. Consistency is the foundation of compound growth. When your income system fights your life system, the income system fails. The soft power economy operates on a different principle. It requires alignment. It extracts value from the friction you already solve. Think about the systems you have built to keep your household running. The meal planning matrix, the seasonal wardrobe rotation, the educational activity sequencing. These are not trivial tasks. They are validated frameworks. You solved a problem. Other households face the same problem. The gap between your solution and their problem is your profit margin. You are sitting on a reservoir of intellectual property. The traditional economy conditions us to view output only as a tangible product. In the modern economic landscape, clarity is a product. Organization is a product. Time saved for someone else is a product. Have you noticed how your energy drains when you treat your daily tasks as burdens rather than systems? Share your experience. When you document your systems, you create an asset. An asset works independent of your immediate physical effort. This is the definition of leverage. The transition from unpaid manager to economic entity requires a shift in documentation. You must stop performing the task and start recording the process. A digital planner or a structured notebook can act as the capture device for this transition. Many find a standard Moleskine or a dedicated iPad setup essential for mapping these workflows. The tool matters less than the habit of capture. The link is always in the description for the systems we trust. Once the process is recorded, it can be packaged. Once it is packaged, it can be distributed. This is how the domestic asset stack operates. It does not demand you learn a new trade. It demands you audit your current operations. Where are you saving money? Where are you saving time? Where are you preventing chaos? These are your economic levers. The market pays for chaos reduction. You reduce chaos daily. You just do it for free. The problem is not a lack of opportunity. The problem is an error in perception. You view your life as a series of chores. You must begin viewing it as a laboratory for process optimization. Every meal planned on a budget is a blueprint. Every streamlined morning routine is a framework. Every conflict resolved calmly is a communication protocol. There are thousands of individuals entering the phase of life you have already mastered. They are experiencing the panic. They feel their resting heart rate rising as the demands of family life overwhelm them. They are searching for the solutions you implement instinctively. They will pay for the shortcut. They will pay for the system that gives them their time back. This is not about becoming an influencer. This is not about showcasing your life for entertainment. This is about utility. You are providing a utility. You are building a decentralized advisory service from your kitchen table. This protects your autonomy. It allows you to generate income without asking for permission. It allows you to work within the margins of your day. The baby sleeps. The asset is refined. The children play. The framework is distributed. There is no commute. There is no manager. There is only the market and your established systems. This is the quiet power of the home economy. It builds resilience. When you depend entirely on an external entity for your financial stability, you carry invisible risk. If that entity changes its structure, you suffer the consequence. When you build the domestic asset stack, you control the production. You control the distribution. You own the intellectual property. This is true economic defense. It is the realization that your current life is not a pause in your career. It is the foundation of your enterprise. You must stop looking for the escape hatch. The side hustle is an illusion sold to keep you distracted. The real work is the translation of your current reality into a tradable asset. This requires discipline. It requires you to value your own time before the market does. If you do not respect the systems you build, no one will pay for them. Audit your week. Identify the one task you perform better than anyone you know. Document the steps. Remove the emotion. Extract the logic. Package the logic. This is your first product. This is how you stabilize the pressure. This is how you stop your resting heart rate rising when you think about your financial future. You build the system. The system builds the income. If you value building income from your time at home, comment leverage. And consider subscribing to protect your most valuable system, your time. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute medical or financial advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.